international spouses lack purpose living abroad because they don't have a professional career that motivates them. I help them find the purpose they're looking for and regain a meaningful career. I share how to start an online business with no previous experience and stop feeling frustrated for not having a life purpose. How often do you find yourself bothered by small things? You wake up grumpy and taking it with everyone around you. You feel frustrated because you know you can accomplish more in your life. You want to do something with meaning and not only live through others' lives. And I promise you, I understand how you feel, because I personally went through all that. Since I moved abroad almost 25 years ago with my husband, I had to put aside my career. And because we were constantly moving to different continents, I could not keep a job in every country we lived in. But I always hold on to the idea of having a professional career. Otherwise, I knew I would start feeling frustrated and be bothered all the time. You believe there must be a way to use your knowledge and education. And you're right, there is a way. By learning new digital skills that will serve you in creating an online business, even though you have no previous experience or a product to sell yet. You only need your laptop and internet connection to repolish your skills and feel satisfied with your new career. I invite you to watch these informative videos. They will provide you with clarity on using your experience and new skills to create your career online. You will feel satisfied and motivated. To have these videos, simply click the button below, sign up for free and start your training. Because my mission is to help international women find a purpose when living abroad, I want you to have a valuable education to start an online business. Starting investing in your learnings will give you satisfaction that you want. Connecting with like-minded people will set the space to share your ideas and inspire others. You will feel active and engaged in taking the first step towards your success as a business owner. So if what I've said resonates with you at all, I recommend you click the Learn More button below. Fill in the form to receive the videos and start right away your training. You choose. You can continue wondering how to find a purpose living abroad, or you can watch the videos and move towards your life purpose.